This one is a SKM. Okay, we change this KNI. So the outdoor is the unit before SKM. Now we put KNI. So it's a 5 wire. The existing is only 4 wire. Okay, let's do it. K9, not K9, huh? So far so good. Now it's cooling. SKM. The outdoor is before is 18 video, now I put 24 video. It's okay, there's no problem. So that's only a little bit wiring. The existing is wire is 4 and this one is 5. So remove the condenser motor for command, put in the one contactor line, and then the okay, connect also line 1, line 2. That's it. Before is 18 BTU, now 24,000 BTU. There's no problem, it's better cooling.